everyone, welcome to Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapeeth. Recently, on 27 September 2025, our school organized the Navrang Garba nights at the school campus to celebrate the spirit of Navratri. The event was filled with the music, colors, and joy, and around 500 participants took part enthusiastically. The dress code for the evening was Gujarati and Rajasthani traditional attires, and everyone looks absolutely vibrant and graceful on their color outfits.
We were honored to have a very special guest, Miss Meenakshi Singh, Miss South Asia Universe 2025, who graced the event with her presence and encouraged the participants with her kind words.
An inter-house competition was also held during the celebration. The performances were full of rhythm and filled with the festive spirit. In the competition, Aruni House secured the first position, while Eklavya and Maruti House secured the second position, and Arjuna House took the third position.
The event concluded with everyone dancing together and enjoying the festival with joy and devotion. Meanwhile, the second interim test have also begun in the school and students were preparing sincerely to give their best performance.
Our upcoming news are our school will be soon organize a singing competition where students will showcase their musical talent and creativity. Stay tuned for more exciting updates.
Thank you.